Okay, so now the puppy is dry, and now we're going to work on the ears. So you're going to take your paintbrush and dip it in the water and dip it in your red. And what you're going to do is you're going to paint the top of the ear, because this is also going to be a rainbow. Just don't paint all of it, because if you paint all of it, it'll be just red. So you want it to be rainbow. Next, we're going to do orange. And be careful with the yellow, because it can mix to green. And then we can do green. Kind of smeared a little bit. But at the end, I'll take a napkin, and I think it'll just all fade together, which I want it to. The ears are just going to be these colors. So I'm going to take a clean paper towel, and then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to just dab it so it looks like it'll be a rainbow fading. So just dab it. Don't pick up all the paint though. So just kind of dab it. You don't want to pick up all the paint. And then we'll fix the little smears at the end with the blue. Next we're going to go with the tongue. So you're going to dip your brush in the water and dip it in the red. And where we painted the tongue, just kind of dab it. Okay, so we're going to fix those spots where water went on there, and where I dabbed and it got out. So we're going to just fix that with the blue, and it'll get lighter when it dries. And same thing, just take a clean paper towel, not a wet one, but a dry one. Kind of dab it a little bit. All that's kind of dry light. So then the last thing we're going to do is we are going to make very light stars. So I'm going to put this paintbrush away and get one where it has like a tip that has like stars. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the tip of your brush, dip it in the water, and then dip it in the yellow. And what you're going to do is you're just going to dab, dab, dab anywhere you want. Just make a whole bunch of dots, and the dots will be stars. Do some down here. The galaxy is all filled with stars, so you can do some wherever you want. And we're done. And there's the galaxy puppy. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!